So, making a lasting memory with old clothes, eh? And that while you have 30 minutes a day for yourself and enjoy yourself while you practice a creative hobby. That sounds amazing, eh? But how does it actually work? Well, let me tell you. I'm going to go live on my Instagram and Facebook as well, if I can connect the two things. And then you can watch me for 30 minutes every day after the 26th of March, where I guide you through the steps of making this quilt. I will do every step with you, so there's nothing that can go wrong. And I do it live, so to give you the opportunity to really make that time for yourself and also ask questions and meet other people who do the similar quilting thing. So, I invite you to start end March with a joyful hobby where you meet other like-minded people who want lasting memories in a sustainable way. Join me by subscribing to the newsletter.